Now, the advantages and disadvantages of UT. The advantages are what? The detect both the surface and internal defects. That is very good. Okay, for the high accuracy in defect size and depth measurement. So here, the accuracy of defect size is good, and also the depth measurement is also good. Works on the thick material where the X-ray is impractical. Here, I mean, if material is very strong, or sorry, very thick, where X-ray cannot work, in that also we can use such a techniques to find out the defects. Real-time results with the digital imaging capability, right? So limitations, they requires the skill operators for the interpretations. Surface must be accessible for the probe placement. Couplant is required for the effective transmissions and not suitable for the very thin material under the MM. So for the very thin material, we cannot go with this technique, but for the very thick material, where we cannot apply the X-ray techniques, it is very obvious. What are the applications? The application you can see here, the same industries, aerospace, automobiles, oils and gas, manufacturing, power plants. These all are just a same application part because these all are having the inspection part. So everywhere you would be having the same applications. Okay.